Guys, let's watch this video together.
Stone against stone. That's the only law that keeps a man alive in this desert. Nothing moves out there except sand and ghosts. The desert always sends trouble eventually. These dunes are full of bones from creatures older than our tribe. Then today we walk across the history of giants. Dragon keeps the prisoner inside the skull chamber.
If the boy reaches him, the fortress will bleed tonight.
Has the desert finally come to claim me? Kale, it tried, but I came back for you. Tonight we remind the desert who still breathes. These bones once belonged to kings of the desert. The guards are watching us. Then don't stop walking. Look who crawled back from the desert. Move. You always were stubborn, and you always stood on the wrong side of the blade.
Now, you see this video you just watched right now from beginning to the end. The video was created by Grok AI using Grok AI extension method. Now, Grok AI just update their AI platform, and right now you can extend video up to 30 seconds. And that is the method I use is to extend this video to almost 1 minute that you are seeing it right now. And you can make a full video with this method. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use Grok AI extension to extend your video from 6 seconds to 30 seconds, and from 30 seconds to 1 minute video to 2 minutes video to 3 minutes video with just a single prompt. You can use one image, or you can just use a simple text to start generating your video, and you generate up to 30-minute video using only Grok AI. Now, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can use Grok AI extension method to extend your video from 6 seconds to 1 minute or 30-minute video using Grok AI. Let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do right now is to head over to your Grok AI application on your phone. Now, when you come to Grok AI, the next thing you are going to do is to click on Imagine up here. So what I want us to do, I want us to first of all generate our image we are going to use to extend our video. Now, this is what I want to give to it. I will set 2 people fighting boxing. Let's just use this single prompt, fighting boxing. We click on generate. Now let's give it some minutes. Now it has generated the image for us. Now the next thing I want us to do, I want us to choose any of this image, anyone, so that we are going to turn it into long video. And I prefer this first one here. Let's click on this one. Now the next thing we are going to do is just to give it a prompt. We say make an image, make it a video. Down, it's making it a video. Now let's write dynamic fighting, and I'll click on generate. So let's give it some minutes. It's generating our video already. Now, as you guys can see, it's generating our video. So let's give it a minute, and it's going to create the video for us. We all know Grok AI is very fast when it comes to video generation, and you can generate up to 6-second video on Grok AI. But this method we are going to use right now is the new method Grok AI just updated, how you can extend a video from 6 seconds to 30 seconds. Now the video has been generated. Now, this is the video. You guys have seen the video. Let me load the volume. This is the video. So if you want to extend this video right now, you want to extend this video to 30 seconds, you have to click on this 3 dot up, this 3 dot here. This three dot here, you click on it. Now when you click on it, you are going to see extend. As you can see extend here, you click on this extend. Now when you click on this extend, you just drag this arrow down to the end here. Now as you can see, it says 6 seconds to 12 seconds. So all you just need to do is just to put your prompt here, and I will say they keep fighting. They keep fighting. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on, after you put your prompt like keep fighting or anything you want them to do next, after you put everything, you put your prompt and you click on continue, and it will keep generating the video. It will keep generating the video. The more you extend it, the more you are going to be getting your result. Just the way I show you. As you can see, you just click on the three dot, you click on extend, and you keep extending it. You can also you can also click on the dot and upscale your video. As you can see, upscale. When you click on it, it's going to upscale the video and it's going to give you best quality of the video. And after you successfully do everything, you can download it to your phone. Now as you can see, HD, this is a full quality. Now if you play the video right now, we are going to see this is just the first 6 seconds of the video I generated. So you can keep generating this type of thing and be posting on your social media account, and you'll be getting massive views. Now for those guys who have not followed up, to extend, you click on this three dot, you click on extend, and you put the prompt, you take this down, you put the prompt, and you click on continue, and it's going to keep generating the video for you. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. But if you want me to do a full video for you, a full video tutorial for you on how you can do it by yourself using create a long video with it all, create a long video with it, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to do a full special video for you so that you are going to watch it and see how you are going to create a long video using this Grok extension method. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.